Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and cancel your Ahrefs plan. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and log into your Ahrefs account on their website. Click your account name or profile on the top right and select account settings. Navigate to the billing section on the left sidebar. Under the subscription tab, find your active plan and click the red cancellation or cancel subscription button. Follow the prompts, clicking proceed to cancel if you're sure to confirm. Key things to know: you cannot pause your subscription. Canceling moves you to the free Ahrefs webmaster tools. Cancellation takes effect at the end of your current paid billing cycle, not immediately, and you won't receive prorated refunds but keep access until the paid period ends. It is as simple. This video clarified a lot for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.